Hi, I'm David Banaka, District Manager Midwest for ReadyArc Canada. With ReadyArc, our biggest challenge and goal is to become a partner with our customers, and the biggest and easiest way we can do this is basically becoming a solution-oriented company. To get out to a bigger client, it could be simple as a client coming in to visit us to see what we have for equipment. What that does is it pops us up to go see their company, see what their internal structure is, and what that does is allow us to get in at the ground level with these companies, talk to their key people, and what that does in turn is it becomes a working relationship between our front staff, whether it's rental coordinators, shop techs in the back, and at the end of the day, when we have that relationship that we can pick up a phone and talk to the shop foreman at any given time or an owner of these companies, we just become an integral part of their business structure.
My name is Jim McElveen. I've been in the construction industry in the province of Alberta for a little over 30 years now. I've certainly had opportunities to talk with ReadyArc, not about safety concerns, but I use them as a resource. There's been several times when I've had a question about a specific product. Being a resource, I would use them. Typically, they would be my exclusive first choice.
Joe Schwett, I am Operations Manager for Midwest for ReadyArc Welder Rentals. We have a really good core group of customers. I mean, we work hand in hand with them on a daily basis with a lot of them they're just a good bunch of customers that we, make it easy for us to do our jobs with them. We get positive feedback all the time from guys that don't have our equipment that want to come and get it because of the way we treat our customers.
My name is Jim Gilbank, and I'm the welding specialist over at Aecon Industrial. And part of my job function is to be providing them information on different types of welding. They're continuously looking for new processes and new ways to be more productive in the type of work that they do. And the other portion of my work is to develop welding procedures, but it's all encompassing and related to welding.
We're lucky enough here at ReadyArc to get ground level on companies, even before they're digging dirt. A lot of times we get to go in and talk to the engineers, talk to the foremen of these companies, and become an integral part of their scope of the project that they're going to have at the beginning of the project, and then it could be 3-4 years down the road, and we become basically a team member of these projects.
In a startup portion of any type of business, you're a little bit reluctant on what do you buy, what do you purchase. Your jobs come in contracts and they're just a set amount of time. Well, that's an ideal application in my mind to be renting, because as soon as you've done that one job, because it does finish, you can send everything back and you're not tied up with cash and buying equipment or hoping that you find another job. So for us, over the start in the last 7 to 8 years, ReadyArc has really fit a unique niche.
Hello, my name's Gary Crummer. I'm a construction manager with Commonwealth Construction here in Edmonton, Alberta. We'll turn to ReadyArc to consult on what's the best application. We'll tell them the project we have. They'll tell us what welder will best suit our needs or what generator can best suit us. And with the generators, they also provide us with, can be small fuel storage or large fuel storage. So in a remote location, we can get one fuel truck in, have a huge amount of fuel for the generator, so we're not constantly calling fuel trucks. Wherever the, construction business will take us, we take ReadyArc with us.
A number of years ago, when Aecon was getting going, they were interested in a new type of pipe welding piece of equipment called the STT. And Aecon was able to rent and once again prove out that that technology really worked well for them. And another unique feature is they rented and then they rented to own. So after it did prove itself, and Aecon was very happy with it, and it's become the mainstay of how we do a lot of our pipe. We find it to be very productive. There's a quality level is incredibly high. And if you go back in time and look back, that was new at one time. And ReadyArc was there to help us out. They had the equipment. They were willing to purchase more if they needed to in order to have the numbers of machines that we needed. And they were able to help us prove it out that it was the right way to go. And as soon as the next leg of technology and welding I feel comfortable that Ready Arc would be more than willing to show us what's phase 2 when we go to that.
With Ready Arc, what we're able to do, which is great, is the Miller Electrics of the world, the Lincoln Electrics of the world, our sales reps and sales force are allowed to go out to the brand new technology sessions, to workshops. We in turn get to see, before a lot of our customers get to see what's new in inverter technology, stick machines, new MIG machines. We actually get to see what the market could actually use in the future. And when we bring these ideas to the table, a lot of the times when we actually sit down with a lot of the groups of these different companies, break down inverter technology versus conventional, we save them a lot of money. The welding itself is actually a lot more cosmetically correct, so that in turn reduces downtime for them, produces better quality welds, and in turn again strengthens the relationship between the two companies.
Recently we had an application in the field where we had some equipment and we were running into a little bit of difficulty with increasing amount of repair, and Ready Arc was very helpful to us by providing us with some equipment that made everybody feel more comfortable, more reliable, more arc penetration in the arc, and we noticed our defect rate coming back to where we'd like it to be, and virtually none.
What we expect from Ready Arc is service, and that's what they give us. When we call Ready Arc, they're on time. Deliveries are usually right within our timelines, and they're always there to meet our needs.
So when you get that level of service and that level of commitment, I think we as individuals have a tendency to kind of cling to that type of service, so they've certainly done that.
Hi, I'm Rod Ravenin, Sales Representative for Ready Arc Canada, the Prairie region. And now you've had the opportunity to meet just a few of our customers that helped make Ready Arc such a success. It remains our focus not only to service the customers we have today, but to continue to work with our customers for growth in the future.